Good day everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am at the station of the train station of Pattaya, and I'm going to take the train all the way to Bangkok to Hua Lompong. It's Saturday, so I'll be taking the express train. It's a little bit faster than the local train. You have the local train that's run from Monday to Friday, and you have an express train going on Saturday and Sunday, one time, only one every day. The express train only in Saturday, Sunday, and the local trains, as far as I can make sense of it, only on a Monday to Friday. It is a little bit expensive. I already bought my ticket, and as you can see, the express train is 170 baht, so it's actually already more expensive than the bus. That's around 110, I think 107 to be exact. You could take, like I said, the local train, and that is only 31 baht, but it will take you around 4 hours then to get to Bangkok. And the express train should take around 2.5 hours, and also has air conditioning, so that's why I took this one. I didn't want to torture me all too bad. Well, the train should go in around 5 to 10 minutes, but you never know here in Thailand. So we'll just have to wait and see if it goes on time. There are not many facilities over there on that station. It's just a very small station. There is no buses going from here. I don't even see taxis here ready to take people from the train station. Well, maybe they come later. It has only a very small shop where you can buy some drinks and some toilet facilities if you need it. But no toilet paper, so make sure that you already done your business if you don't want to be stuck with a water hose up your ass. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, you need your passport if you want to use the express train. I don't know if that's the same applies for the local train, but for the express train you need it for some reason. Why? I absolutely don't know. And there the train is arriving. Only around 6-7 minutes late. Yeah, it's not too bad for Thailand. I had worse at home. Okay, thank you. Apparently we all have designated seats that I didn't really notice. It's car 3, seat number 10. Hello, focus. Oh, it doesn't want to focus. Anyway, I thought car 3 was all the way in the back, but it's all the way in front for some reason. Anyway, it's not very busy in the train. There's one person 2 rows in front of me, and like, well, nobody else. So why this? I don't know. Anyway, let's enjoy the ride. It should take around 2.5 hours. And, it is nice and cool anyway. The aircon is working quite nicely. Oh, there's another one. There's now a few persons coming in. I think it's the train driver. Anyway, let's head out. Yeah, there's the train signal. Let's go. are crossing the Bangkok River, and we will be making a sharp left turn into the city of town of Chachuang Sao, if I pronounce it correctly. And here we are making left turn now. And the sun is setting. Probably takes another 30 minutes before it will be completely dark. And this is pretty much also the halfway point to Bangkok. And well, it looks like a pretty decent city. Anyway, it is not exactly crowdy in the train. We'll have plenty of stops to make, but most of them are in the city of Bangkok, so I don't expect them to be there a lot of passengers coming into the train. We're now arriving at the Chachuang Sao station. There's a decent population waiting for the train. I'm not sure if they're going on this train. There are more trains coming on to Bangkok. And from here it's pretty much a straight line into Bangkok. Just one more left turn into Hua Lompong, and then we're basically here. Or there, I would say. It's actually getting a little bit busy at the front. There are, you can see over there, a lot of passengers coming in from Chachuang Sao. I don't know why they put all the passengers like in the front, why they just don't spread it out over the train and more equally. This carriage there's only like one person sitting right over there. The rest of this carriage is empty, so why don't they spread it out more in this COVID times? I don't know. Or just let people choose their own seat and it'll be fine too. Anyway, now we're walking around. Let's just check what this train has to offer a little bit. Like I said, this train has air conditioning, so it's nice and cool. And it has a nice stuff rack for your small luggage, so that's fine. It has windows, of course, to block the sunlight. Also, it has good seating for your feet. I am 1.96 m, so I have pretty long legs. So this is actually more comfortable than the bus. I have plenty of room for my feet. Of course, we've got this for your stuff, and we've got a small table for your so you can eat. And there's also a small handle here where you can basically decline your seat to the back. So yeah, that's basically all the features of the train. It's pretty comfortable, this train. So, a little over an hour left to go, and we'll be arriving in Bangkok. Passing the main airport of Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi. I pronounce it terribly, but it's the main airport, or we just call it BKK Airport for short. The next station is Latkrabang, and you can actually transfer here to the ARL, the Airport Rail Links system. So if you need to go to the main airport, you can get out here and take the other train back to the airport, or you can just take the ARL deeper into the city. For the next few stations, it's running parallel with the ARL line. And as you can see, the ARL is actually running up here, and well, we're staying on the ground level. So a few more stations, then we should arrive at Hua Lamphong. I'm not sure if you can actually see it, because it's pretty dark and I see a lot of reflection. But we're now making the final turn to the left into Hua Lamphong station. So we should be there in a few minutes. And then I'll give you my thoughts about this train trip. I'll see you there. So we're now arrived at Hua Lamphong station in the middle of Bangkok, and only 5 minutes late. And this is a very beautiful station. Too bad it's going to close soon and make way for the new Bang Sue station, a little bit more up north in the city. But more importantly, let's just talk about the trip. It was actually pretty nice. Only a 5-minute delay, and it was actually very comfortable, more comfortable than the bus. And the train has an advantage that it doesn't make any detours. So yeah, if it's running on time, then you actually know approximately how late you will get there, and you don't have to worry about traffic. The downside is, of course, that there is only one train every day, and this express train only runs on Saturday and Sunday, at least for now. And the price of 170 baht is also a little bit on the high side. The bus is much cheaper. And if you're planning to take this train to Pattaya, I think it leaves around 6:45, maybe even sooner. I'm not sure. And then you'll end up in a train station in Pattaya with absolutely no connections further into Pattaya. So you have to call a cab, or just what I did, just walk. And it's around 45-minute walk to the city center of Pattaya. So be prepared to do that, or use an app like Grab to call for a taxi. You're better off taking the bus if you want to have decent connections and not have to worry about walking too much or too expensive. Then you're better off taking the bus from Ekamai station to the bus platform in Pattaya. But overall, the train was very comfortable because I had much more leg room, and the sides were more beautiful than just traffic and see more traffic. So if you're in Thailand a long time, maybe you should just try this ride for fun. You can take the cheaper option. Like there's a local train that's only supposed to be 31 baht. I thought this train was 31 baht too, but apparently not. And you have to have your passports already if you want to take the express train. That's also like a disadvantage. But overall, it's a fun ride to take at least one time. So this is the end of the trip, and so also the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, and if you want to see more content of me in the future, or see some videos from me in the past, consider hitting that subscribe button, and maybe follow me on Instagram as well. You can all find all information in the description below. And I wish you a great day, and I'll see you next time on the next cheap travel. Goodbye, good night, and good day, wherever and what time zone you are. Goodbye.